Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our podcast, NIFL News. This is Dr. Sajjan Kumar. We are going to take interview of Mr. Khan sir. As you know very well, he is the most popular YouTuber and education specialist. He changed the definition of the education. He came to YouTube and very lowest fees. Every syllabus available like UPSC, BPSC, even railway, NDA, bank also very lowest price. You can't imagine his popularity in India between the Gen Z, between the students, 19 million subscriber. Imagine the popularity. Now we will take some questions from sir. Sir, how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I am also fine. Sir, can I ask some question? Are you comfortable?
Yes, I'm comfortable. You can ask everything.
Sir, first of all, I want to say you congratulations. 19 million subscriber. You joined 2019. Very short time. How did you do this?
Well, it is a love of the students, and it is happened because of my hard work. And when I see the peoples who belongs to very middle class family who didn't have any resources, so this kind of things motivates me in the time. So that's why I am here right now.
Sir, when the first time you decide you should go for YouTube and very low, where did you get this idea to come to YouTube? Who inspired you to come in YouTube? Sir, can you tell us?
So well, if you talk about the YouTube, so I had to come on the YouTube because lot of students are not able to come on the Padna. So it is a way to connect with all the peoples who lives in India and who wants to prepare something government exams. So that's why I had to come on the YouTube.
Sir, can you tell me about your fees is very low. I saw your fees. I forgot the course. Only 200 rupees. How give you salary to your employees? Only very low fees.
Because it is a there is a reason, and there is a reason. We have lot of students, so lot of students, and the teacher is the only one. You can I can say that 200 student per teacher. So the minimum mm, uh, amount pay to the teacher. So that's why I can hire the teacher, and I can run the KGS institute.
Sir, what did you feel when students and the Indian Gen Z love you too much? I saw in the last festival, it was Rakhi festival. 15,000 women tied you Rakhi. What did you feel that time? 15,000 Rakhi on a single man. You made the Guinness Book of World Record. What was your experience that time? What were your feelings, sir?
So it is the love of students, and who wants to make me as a brother, and they feel like I am a brother of his family. So that's why I got this type of love from the students. So it is the reason.
Sir, when the first time you started your coaching, who give you idea to start a coaching? You are intelligent, you can go for government job. You are so intelligent. I saw your lots of video. Why did you not go for government job? Why did you come to this coaching sector? Sir, could you please tell us?
Well, I when I passed my 12th class, so that time earlier I want to go in the NDA, and that I have cleared that, and I was failed in the medical exams in the medical. So that time I think that time I thought that I had to run my family to earn money. So that's why I started teaching in one institute, and where I earn around 100 rupee, 200 rupee per hour. So it was my journey.
Sir, now I want to ask you some difficult question. Sir, some difficult question. Can I ask? Sir, you have a two bodyguard, and recently, before some days, your security guard opened fire to afraid the nearest coaching, and peoples are calling you coaching mafia. Sir, what would you like to say in this allegation?
So, my guard didn't fire that because he saw something like big and the something wrong. That's why he fired. But I don't know the actual reason. What is that? So, if he fired the bullet, so something has reason. So that's why.
Sir, why do you support always to Genji? Before 2 year, 22 and 24, a case filed against you. That case was you went to take a part protest. You took a protest with your students, and very huge students took participate that, and that was the exam of related railway and BPSC. So, sir, why do you took participate? You are a teacher. You should focus on teaching. Why always you go to protest? What is your opinion, sir?
It's okay. I see the future of the Gen Z and I see the hard work of the Gen Z. And I think that if Gen Z will come on the government, in the government sector, so it can do better than old people's and older mindset. So, and the older system didn't, sorry, the old system don't want to provide the any jobs to the Gen Zs, and they just run away the government with the old methods. So if the Gen Z will come on the government and the government jobs, so he can do better. That and the older and the politician don't want. So that's why I support to the Gen Zs, and that's why I took participate in the protest, in every protest, because he take me as a brother, as a father, as a brother, and everything. So that's why I took participate in the every protest.
Sir, you are a teacher and you opened the hospital and you are doing extra only 20 rupees. What will happen to extra soaps? Only 20 rupees. Where are you going to? Why are you going to medical sector? You should go for education sector and you should open the school, university, college. Why are you going to medical sector and affected that people's? That is allegation of medical people's lobby. What is your answer?
So my answer is that my ultimate motive is that to make a life of people healthier, happiest, and better. So if you talk about the education, so I have improved the education. So my next step is to improve the health sector and the other sector is also. But in this time I have opened the around 3 to 4 hospital for the peoples. I think that the people of Patna and the people of Bihar was very poor, and they cannot afford around 1,000 rupees in the health. So I thought that whatever I am doing, it is very less according to the Bihar peoples. So that things motivates to me to improve, to open the hospitals as well as the lowest price, to come to do the lowest price.
People are saying you want to go in politics. Is it right? You are making a platform for politics. Is it correct or not? Can you tell the audience?
I don't want to go to politics because I have lot of huge following, and I am also a politician. I can become, but I don't want. I have already love of the country, so it is not necessary to go. I can do anything without become a politician.
Sir, my last question is for you. What would you like to give message to audience Gen Z? They are making cockroach party. They are misguiding. They are not sincere for his career. So what would you give to message to Gen Z for his career? It's my last question, sir. What would you give to like message to Gen Z?
So I want to say that Gen Z, don't listen about the worthless people. Don't listen about the worthless things, and the don't listen about the Sindhya and the Bihar politician MLAs. They just do the rubbish things. They just say the rubbish things. So and keep working hard, and don't commit mistakes, because life don't give you another opportunity. So this
Thank you, sir, for you came to our NIFL broadcast. Thank you, sir. Thank